Hey, today we will make some coconut oil, and today what we're gonna peel first, and then we'll spread them. There we go. Find it like this. Get it. So this is it. That's the coconut that we're trying to get. All right. Okay, so today we're gonna open the coconut and look for those two eyes. You see that eye? And then you see those white in there? It means that's the mouth. So that's the root. Okay, that's where they grow up. And then here we go. This is that's kind of that. And that's it. You have that open to the side over here, and then we're gonna shred them. So the same way in the other side, you see the root, and you go to here, and that's it. And that's beautiful. And the last one, here we go. See the root. And that's it. There we go. Okay, now we're going to shred. So I set over here to shred, and I want you guys to see the shredder. I mounted, and I use the coconut here. We make sure it's clear, and then we shred them. So you have to have a system. When you shred like this, traditionally, you count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you get all of the energy concentrated on one air, one breathing. And it look like this. You see, there's so much coconut already. It's for the picture, and that's it. And as you go close, you just go continue circling. See? And you don't want it too much. See, come up from this. I don't want to make it too dirty. And this is my first coconut. See, that's gonna be in here. Then I'm gonna shred the rest, and we'll milk them. Okay, we'll make the milk. And here we go. Okay, now let's do. I just finished this shredding them. Now we're gonna make some milk. We're gonna milk them. We're gonna real press. But let's watch this first because this is the one I used to shred the coconut. So let's watch them. Make sure that it's not dirty to put it away. All right, and boom. Now, when we have this, see how much that is, and five coconut in that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 cup of water on each coconut. So this is the a cup. So we're gonna put one, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. And what we do, I'm gonna remove you to my face. I'm gonna I want this to be really fresh. And I will make a decision if I'm gonna put another cup in it based on the thickness of the milk. So go like this. Very thick. Let me put another cup. And so that's 6 cup. That's considering. Okay, yeah. Now it's perfect. Oh yeah. So I need a container to put all of the milk press and transfer them here. Same way. Do it little by little. That's how you press the milk from the coconut. There's a way to put it on, on the blender, and you blend them to make the milk. But that is long. First, you have to peel the coconut and get the brown part of it, and then piece by piece and put it in there. I rather do the traditional way, right here. So this is the traditional way here we have in the Philippines. Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, India, Africa, they're all, Jamaica, all of the Caribbean, they all know how to make milk. Okay, now we got this. Alright, so the next one is you have to have one of this colander and one container like this to shred. Strain, and get it there. And then from there, you play it. And then you have the coconut, the first press. This is the first press. All we call is kakangata. And that's how it look like. See? So much, right? Now we're going to put that on. We're going to put that in one pot. We put that in one pot. Just like this. And let me show you my paste now. Because, here we go. We're going to put that in the pot. Just like this. Now it's in the pot, and then we'll put it in the high heat. And we wait until it's boiled. Then we're gonna put it in simmer. How's that? That's how to make coconut milk. And now we are the process of making hot press coconut oil. Okay, now it's they start to boil, so we need to put them on a simmer. Okay, so let me see. I want your camera to be there. See, it's boiling like that. See, now we're gonna put it on the simmer. It's about this is highest and then 9. We put it on the 7. Okay, go go. And we are going to wait until this is start to um, turn into oil. Okay, and once in a while you have to stir it to make sure that it doesn't stick in the bottom. You see, it's like making cheese. They have to coagulate the fat, and we don't want that to do, because what's going to happen is it's going to coagulate on top, and then it's going to go to the bottom, and then it's going to stick to the bottom of the pot. So that's why you have to keep stirring. Okay, so here we go. This is now going to be watch out for simmering. Okay. All right. At this point, you see we start coagulating. You see the bottom. We start coagulating. This is the time that you have to be very, very careful to watch them. You gotta watch them very carefully, or else it will be cooked in the bottom, or it's gonna be stuck on the bottom. So this one is very close to become an oil now. See, the coconut milk is now. I have to lift up my camera because this is splattering. I'm gonna put it lower. I'll put it on 3, and then start from there. So, see, this is now what we call in the Philippines is, they're making is Latik. Yeah, the one that we put it on the sweet fries. But this one, very close to become an oil. So, it's this is the crucial moment when you are to make this turn into oil. Alright, so once it's oil, I'll show it to you again. On. Okay, this is the final moment that the coconut now is separating from the cheese. This is the time that it's separating the oil already. See? There we go. If you are cooking shrimp, this is the perfect time to put your shrimp. This is what we call naglalangis-langis. So this is it. It's the final staging of the making oil. Alright, the moment of truth. This is what we got. Yes, you see that? That's how, this is the pressed oil. You see, you don't try to burn things, and you got it right here. Put it on the strainer, and we'll see how much oil we got. See? But this is the effective way to get some latik for the dessert. But I don't think I got much more oil, but I remember them. It's not really too much oil to get. And every day we used to make some of this for our we have to make some of them to make oil for our night lights, for the lamp. So imagine how much oil we need to make it overnight. That's time is up, and that's too much. And I only get, like I said, maybe 2-3 ounces. And well, this oil right here would last us about to burn for about good 3 hours. So the rest of the night we don't have lights. And if we're gonna cook something, we're gonna fry something, we have to cook at least 20 coconut to make decent amount. So for us to cook some fried fish, fried meat, just to get you guys an idea how hard it is to press a coconut oil. You know, so when you buy it in the store and you see it, oh my God, that's a gallon. You know, a 1 liter is too expensive. Then you know why it's expensive, right? It's not it's not a rocket science, but it's very, 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 very hard to make. Anyway, this is what I got from out of that coconut that we made. This is what I got. Maybe 2 ounces. And that's it. I got this much oil out of 10 I'm five coconut. This is what I got. Anyway, I'll show it to you how to make coconut oil on the hot press, and let's see. We will make an experimentation how to make it in cold press. This is it. It's like 2 ounces, and that's about it. Not much. All right. So if you like what you see, you like what you hear, you have a question about anything else, ask me. If I don't know the answer, I'll find it. And if I know the answer, I'll let you know. Might be the right answer, but you know what? That's the way I'm going to tell you. Subscribe to my channel. Kat Puno Abon and Gary Moronis here. Bye-bye.